Luvlap Premier Stroller. Contents in the box: stroller frame, seat, rear wheels, front safety bar, shopping basket, foot cover, canopy, parent cup holder, mosquito net, and assembly manual. The functional on-the-go stroller is ideal for your baby's comfort and yours too. To assemble, carry out the following steps. Open the stroller by pulling the front and stepping on the rear base of the frame till a click sound is heard. Secure the stroller position using the security lock on the side. Install front wheels by inserting each wheel separately into the front wheel sockets with an audible click. Install rear wheel axle into the sockets in the rear base of the stroller frame. And fix the wheels on both sides of the axle. Attach shopping basket to the base rods of the frame and secure tightly with buttons on both sides. Assemble the seat by inserting it into the side slots provided, ensuring both the sides are attached and pushing it till a click sound is heard. Fix seat cushion by placing it on the seat and attaching the safety harness by pulling out the harness shoulder belts through the two slots provided in the cushion as per the baby's height and comfort, and also through the shoulder pads included. Pull out the waist belts from the two side slots provided in the middle of the cushion. Pull out the leg separator crotch belt from the slot provided on the cushion and buckle up the crotch buckle with the shoulder and waist buckles. Attach safety handrails onto both sides until a click sound is heard. Check if they are secured on both sides. The canopy is to be installed by clipping it onto the side rods on both sides of the stroller frame. Zip the canopy sides around the seat frame of the stroller to secure the canopy. Attach the foot cover. Zip it along the seat contour and secure it with the Velcro around the safety bar. Attach the mosquito net to the poles on either sides of the stroller and pull it forward to cover the seat area. Lastly, fix the parent's cup holder on the side of the handlebar. Luvlap Premier Stroller is now safely installed for your little one. Make your baby's life's little stories special.